Hey, welcome back, everybody. If you guys happen to pick up the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and as you know, the first Z Fold, the 2 and the 3, they actually had like I guess I wouldn't consider screen protectors, but it did have like a film in the front. With the Z Fold 4, if you guys notice, there is no like film protection or anything. In my other ones, I actually used it and left it on as a screen protector. So now they're selling these. Separately. So this is actually the front protection film. So we'll try to see if we can install this here on while we're doing this. I haven't tried this, but let's go ahead and try and see what see how easy it is. As you can see in here, I don't think let's see if there's any other stuff included in here. There's something down here. Let's rip this open. Let's see what is. Might have. Oh, it's got. It sounds like some kind of cleaning supplies or something, probably, as you can see here. So let's see. Let's put this down here. Oh no! So it's got some kind of stuff here. I guess we're gonna use this to put this. Probably. I don't know. We'll take a look and see what this is gonna be. So yeah. So it's got these things in here. So it's got some dust remover, so you can remove if you see any dust in there. The little package has the little squeegee. As you can see here, it's got the nice felt there in the front. It's got a little cleaning cloth, and it's got the instruction here. We'll take a look, and I'll pause this and then continue. And then here, as you can see, it's got the screen protector. So we'll see how this is going to. How this works. I guess as I can see here, well, actually this actually might want to say the box. I think this actually has for 2. So as you can see here, comes with 2 of these. So that's good. So if you mess up one, you got your chances of fixing it. As you can see, it's got some tape to take out of there, and then from here as well. So I'm pretty sure that somehow this is gonna pull out and stick there like that, and then this of course is gonna probably go this way here like this, and then somehow you'll pull it in the middle, so then you can just fold it in there. So we'll see and take a look. Let me pause this really quick, and I'll just quickly go over the instructions so I won't just be online here, and then we'll come right back. Okay, so this, yeah, so quickly take a look at it. So what you have to do, of course, let's make sure, first of all, let's take this out, this little sticky thing here. It's kind of like what the case covers have. So basically, that's got a little bit, kind of like a sticking on glue there. So you're going to want to glue this. Of course, you want to keep your Z Fold open like this, and then go. Oh, that is pretty sticky. So let's make sure you get it on the corner there. Actually, let me. I'm gonna push this out, and I want to keep it as flat as possible. That probably works out better. So that way you keep it as close to that corner, flush there. So you want to make sure you got that on there, and then here, because what you want to do is you want to make sure that this, when you set this in here, and you're coming down and laying this flat, so you're able to oops, so you're able to line up the opening for the camera there at the top. So that's the purpose of this, so you can keep that lined up. So yeah, make sure you guys put this close as possible on the edge there, and I guess lay it flat here, so make sure that's flat on flat surface. And then I guess in my case I would just put it over so I won't scratch anything. And then you gotta make sure that you clean it really good. You don't want no dust or anything on there. We'll blow this so that way it's on there. And then of course just grab one of your dust removers here that they provide here, and kind of clean it up, and then just see if you have any dust particles there. If you don't, just kind of swipe like this, and then just kind of put it at angles. If you have a light, it actually works better, because then you can see whether you have any dust particles on there. Looks good there. I'll keep keep this on the side, so if you do see something as before, you're gonna put this here. You wanna, what you wanna do is on the back here, go ahead and remove this first, like this. That peels off, as you can see there, is that peeled off. Then you wanna go ahead and set this on here like this, like I was mentioning, and then just make sure you're right at the center of your camera there, and then oops, I want to make sure this is all straight here. So once you have it on there, you want to go ahead and get this in here, you know, so that way you can grab right here. Actually, it's probably faster and easier to do with your finger there. You want that line like this. So once you have that line there, then you can go ahead and remove this from this area here. And then you can go ahead and, just before you're gonna, since this might have dust, just before you're gonna open it, just go ahead and take any other dust that might be showing up there. Oh, actually that moved. So actually be careful. As you can see, it actually moved really easy. That was very, it actually wasn't very strong. So I'm surprised that that didn't hold on very strong in there at all. Actually, now it's holding on a lot stronger now. So then when you get at this point, you want to lift this up like this, and you can probably get the this right here, so you can kind of push that other plastic out. Once you have it like this pushing out, then you want to go ahead and slide this in like this. And then you can just work any bubbles out. I won't spend too much time working these bubbles out, but I want to kind of show you guys just how to, you know, how it goes and installs. Again, I would lift here, maybe just give it a couple, just to remove any dust. And again, just see how it's folding. And then when you fold this, I would hold it here with your finger, and then just kind of push that blue cover there, and then just with one swipe push that out like this, and then that should be good like that. And then again, once it's on there, then you can start working your, you know, the bubbles out and everything that might have in here. So it's fairly easy. You know, I'm not going to spend too much time working them. I just kind of want to show you guys how it works. Once you have all that, then you can go ahead and remove the upper part of it, as you can see here. But don't remove this until you actually, I would recommend you leave that on until you know, take out these little small little bubbles. You can see, I'll take these out really easy. You know, I don't want to do it with this like this barehanded. See how they're fairly easy to remove. You know, just kind of get the little, you know, the squeegee, and then you can just squeeze it, you know, just push them down, and then see, they're all just gonna just, you know, just go away. And it actually feels very nice. I mean, looks very, very nicely. So yeah, if you guys were interested to pick this up, actually these aren't so expensive. This is the front protection film. These are actually Samsung Galaxy Fold OEM kind of part here. So you can, I think these were like $15 or $16. So actually that's not too bad, and you have a nice protection, and it's very thin. Doesn't look like you have anything on there. It kind of reminds me actually, like I was mentioning, like the Z Fold 2 and 3 had some kind of protective screen protector like this, very thin. So yeah, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.